Recording in progress.
Hi all, welcome to Infotile Labs. Today we are going to discuss about ChatGPT. Why we are going to use the ChatGPT? ChatGPT is artificial intelligent chatbot. So we can use the chatbot. We can generate any type of code. For example, is Terraform. For example, is CI/CD pipeline jobs. Like it's Unix, you can use the Python scripting. So here is some example I have created. So I'm going to discuss on that. So first I want to create that Terraform code for AWS VPC. So I have going to create this one. Just before going here, copy this one here and go to chatbot. So you can just log in the chatbot. Once you log in the chatbot, you will get here is a screen like this. And you have to type here is your question. So what you want to create it. I want to create it is a Terraform code for in AWS VPC. After just to type it, I just need to enter. So here, artificial intelligence, it will go and will create it. So these are the ways they create it. So these steps and everything it will create it. So it's started creating, you can see on the screen. So like this, so you can create in multiple languages. Okay, so multiple language means like Java or is some Unix, or you can Python. Okay, we'll try for one by one. So one more thing I want to try for in Python script creating the directory. So let me try in Python. Okay, so I'm typing my question here in chatbot and just I'm entering. So now is Python script will create for a directory. So it will take a few seconds to analyze and after it will start creating. So it started creating. So if you do like this means it's if you are is getting the problem with your coding, so that logic will not getting. For example, myself, I'm not able to write the full logic. So this I'm searching the Google and I'm doing it. So this one will be helping for me is a lot to get all the logics. So like this, I have done the many scripts. I want to create it. For example, adding the two numbers in Unix. So any question, any technology related question, it's giving the chatbot. I think this is a very good feature. We can use it, this one. And it will help for in every day, our daily day-to-day our works. So I'm asking for in creating the Unix command, two numbers in Unix, add the two numbers in Unix. So it started creating it. So it will give complete steps as well. So if I don't know something, I'm going and searching here and I'm reading here. So very good option. We can go ahead and we can use it. And let me try for in some other technology. So I want to curiosity check in what are the Kubernetes securities available. So this is not a code. This is like something is steps. So I'm asking what are the Kubernetes securities available. So I just typed the question, I entered it. So AI is providing the answer. There are 7 types of securities there. So those are here. One is authentication. So like RBAC. So other one is the second one is the network security. That like is a TLS, SLS certifications. Third one is container runtime security. And fourth one is secrets management. And the fifth one is audit logging and monitoring. And the sixth one is the pod security policies. And seventh one is image security. So these are the 7 are Kubernetes securities. So we'll try for in something different. So I want to retrieve the primary key from his table, some table. So that we can just like is SQL. So that we can try here. I think in going forward is a chatbot. It will become is more busy because all the people they will start using it. Okay, it's A very good feature, this one. I never seen giving this type of question answers in here. So we can go ahead and we can use it. So let me try for in last one. So, I'm architecture level apart. I'm asking. So AWS services, how to, for example, I want to create it EKS clusters and EKS infrastructure. Like is architecture, I want to create it. How, what are the steps are required? So I'm going to explain here is what are the steps are required. So I'm asking the question to ChatGPT. Let's wait for this answer. So to build this EKS cluster, EKS architecture, we need these all the things like is EC2 instance and is a VPC, and we need for an elastic load balancer ELB, and we need for Amazon EBS electric block storages, and need for an IAM identity and access management, and we need for in Route 53, and these all the six things are required. So these are all the things. For example, I just gave the question, it's getting all the answer. You guys try it in whatever questions you want in technology level, and you can get it. For example, I want one more thing. These things it will not work because how, what are the good shares in India? So these financial related things we will not get. Only related to technology levels it will get. See, so what are the shares in India? So I mistakenly typed it. What are the good stocks in India? So these things, see, as an AI is intelligent language model, I cannot provide financial advice or investment recommendation. So the choose good stock is investment depend on various ways. So these things it will not work. So that is the only the technology wise we can use it. So we're more valuable for in code. So whoever want for code creation for easily, so which will time is also we can save the more time and we can give the best performance like is very good code with quality of the code we can provide it. Thank you very much. We'll see you on next video.